To buy Apple Music with an Apple gift card, start by making sure you have a valid Apple gift card with sufficient funds to cover the cost of your Apple Music subscription. First, open the Apple Music app on your device. Then tap on the For You tab and select your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on Join or Get a Free Trial. Then choose the type of subscription you want, such as individual, family, or student. Next, tap on the payment method and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code from the back of the card. Then tap Redeem. If your gift card has sufficient funds, the cost of the Apple Music subscription will be deducted from the gift card balance. If you do not have the Apple Music app, you can also redeem your gift card from the iTunes Store. Open the iTunes Store. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Redeem. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. You can then use the redeemed balance to purchase an Apple Music subscription from the iTunes Store. To do this, go to the iTunes Store, select Music, and search for Apple Music. Tap the subscription button. Then select the type of subscription you want and confirm your purchase. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase Apple Music subscriptions and other content from the iTunes Store, and not for other Apple services such as Apple Arcade or Apple TV+. Additionally, ensure that your Apple gift card is valid and has not expired before attempting to redeem it.